In this video, I will guide you on how to lock apps on the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So by the end of this video, you should be able to set password for your gallery application, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or literally any application on this device. Now, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the settings of your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. Now, from the settings, you just want to scroll all the way down until you find the security and privacy settings. Tap on that, then scroll down again and you're going to see more security settings. Tap on that. Now over here, you're going to find the secure folder option. You want to tap on secure folder, tap on the more option over here, then click on continue. Now at this point, if you do not have a Samsung account, you will be required to create a Samsung account by tapping on the forget password or don't have an account option over here. But if you have an account, you can go ahead and sign in. In my case, I already have my Samsung account linked with my Gmail, so I'll just go ahead and sign in with Google over here. And once you're signed in, you just want to scroll down, tap on the continue button at the bottom over here. And now your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G will start to create a secure folder for this device. Once the secure folder is created, you'll be required to select your password, PIN or pattern which you want to use to lock the apps on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. In my case, I will select a pattern over here, then enter my preferred pattern just like so. Tap on continue, then confirm your password, PIN or pattern one more time. Click on confirm and you're good to go. If you want to be able to reset your password, PIN or pattern in case you forget it with your Samsung account, make sure you turn on the allow button over here. I will go ahead and turn on mine, then click on next again, then click on done. At this point, a secure folder will be created, and basically what this does is to create a duplicate of all of your locked applications and then put them on a specific folder known as a secure folder. Then it locks them with your password, PIN or pattern. So by default, these are the locked application on my Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. You can go ahead and add more applications by tapping on the plus icon at the top right over here. If you want to go ahead and add more applications by selecting on the applications, I will add the Facebook application, the Instagram application, and also my TikTok application over here. Once you're done, tap on the add button at the top. Now at this point, if you go back to the home of your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, you're going to find out that over here we still have all of the applications which we have sent into the secure folder, but these applications are now different from the ones that are actually on the secure folder application now, which has been created, and it contains a duplicate of all of those applications. And while these ones are actually protected with the secure folder and your password, PIN or pattern, the ones on the app list or app section of your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G are not protected. And you can actually lock your secure folder by opening it. Tap on the three dot icon at the top right over here, tap on lock and exit, and at this point anybody that wants to access the secure folder would have to enter your password, PIN or pattern, and once you enter it, it automatically just opens up. So you can go ahead and now delete all of these other applications that are duplicates and basically just use the applications on the secure folder now. So in my case, I can go ahead and just long press on the Instagram application since I already have it on my secure folder, uninstall it, and then do the same thing for literally every other application that has been secured on the secure folder. Finally, if you actually want to hide the secure folder, what you would have to do is to open up the secure folder and then tap on the three dot icon on the top right over here, then tap on hide secure folder. Once you select on hide secure folder, you're going to find out that the secure folder automatically disappears, and in order for you to be able to find it at any point, you would have to go over to the settings, and then from the settings you want to scroll all the way down to the security and privacy settings again, and then to the more security settings at the bottom, and here you just want to select on the secure folder, tap on show secure folder, then proceed to enter your password, PIN or pattern, and automatically if you now go back to the home of your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, you should now be able to find the secure folder. One more interesting thing you can do is to open up the secure folder and then long press on any of these applications, and you can actually add this application to the home of your device, or even uninstall it. That is basically removing it from the secure folder if you want. And if you tap on the add to home option, tap on add from over here, you're going to find out that we now have the Facebook application over here, so you do not need to go over to the secure folder to open up the application. And I hope this was helpful guys. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.